Hello, my name is Carter Bertrand, and this project is about how climate change is affecting Florida. Climate change is an issue that is affecting the world as a whole in a negative way that can lead to massive changes in how people live. One of the main parts of climate change are CO2 emissions, and right now they are at an all-time high, causing the polar ice caps to melt and a rise in sea level and temperature. I think it is very important how climate change is affecting Florida, and it is an issue that needs our attention. Countries are releasing greenhouse gases into the air, where they get trapped by the atmosphere, making it hotter. Due to this increase in hotness, it's changing our world's weather systems and having a huge effect on our climate's planet, according to NASA. One example of how it is hurting our climate change is the melting of ice caps, which are rising the sea level. A study at NASA involving 60 Earth scientists predicted that the sea level would rise up to 15 inches by 2100. There are many reasons why we should care about the climate change, especially in places like Florida, where there are major effects. According to the United States Environmental Protection Agency, climate change is causing more hurricanes and worsening weather conditions. The rising sea level and hurricanes also cause a lot of damage to people living there, destroying roads, buildings, and even cities. A possible solution to this problem is to reduce our carbon footprint and transferring over to environmental friendly power such as wind, hydropower, and solar energy, which generate power through renewable resources and don't involve burning fossil fuels. Some people think that America already does enough to combat climate change, but according to National Geographic, we are within the top 3 countries for producing CO2 gas and did not take part in the Paris Climate Agreement, where a bunch of countries made deals to reduce their carbon footprints. In conclusion, climate change is a very important issue with many effects on places in the United States and the world. Due to climate change in the ecosystem in Florida changing for the worse is causing more natural disasters and sea level to increase, which really affects the animals and most importantly the people living in Florida. To help combat this, we need to spread awareness so that the government can recognize this as an important issue and help to fix it.